Hey guys, let's talk about the Tapo C220 alarm setup. I have the camera ready here, and you see that the camera is ready with the video here on the Tapo app. If you don't have this app, you just need to download from the App Store, make the camera work with the Tapo app, and then you can set up the alarm, okay? I'm assuming you have all of that, the Tapo camera already working with your Tapo app, and here you can just come and enable the alarm. You see here that have the option to enable from here, and disable from here as well from the front screen. Then when the alarm is enabled here, every time there's motion in front of the camera can detect and make a sound and also work with the lights, right? So when I move something in front of the camera, for example, I approach the camera and go far away from the camera, it's going to detect the motion and trigger the alarm, right? For that to be able to work, you just need to come here to the settings and make sure that you have everything working correctly here with the detection. Okay, just come here and detection zones. You select the detection area and type of detection: motion, person, pet, vehicle, line crossing, camera tampering, baby crying, glass breaking, dog barks, and cat meows. You have all those types of detections. So just need to make sure that they're working here correctly, and also the zone here you set for all, for example, is going to work the entire area for every type of detection, okay? Then after this, you just come here to the alarm, and from here you can set up how it works. You can just enable the alarm and select if it's going to work with sound and light, both at the same time, only light or only the sound. And you come here and you can select the sound type and the volume. You see here, low, normal, and high. Okay, let's just leave here with normal. And then default sound or custom sound. You can just come here, record some sound, some messages, some music, whatever you want, and upload here and name the sound. Then you can replace your alarm. Or here you can just select the ones that comes available. You see here red alert. That's the one that's set right now. And you have emergency and also siren. Okay, so it's working like this, and then every time there's motion in front of the camera, meaning somebody approaching the camera, doing some movement here, the camera is going to work. There we go, it triggers the alarm, right? If I change to this one, I prefer this one that's not so loud. Then it takes some time for the camera can rearm and detect the alarm again. Sometimes it just move in front of the camera. Sorry guys, if you move in front of the camera pretty quickly after the alarm, it's not gonna work because the camera takes some time to rearm the alarm, okay? And then back here, you can also set the alarm duration. You see there's the default. Let's just get some focus here. Sorry, there we go. Default or custom, 5, 10, 30 seconds. And back here, you can see also the alarm type. Here you see everything, every single alarm event available, from motion, person, pet, vehicle, line crossing, camera tampering, everything. Just be aware that you can't just tie the alarm type here to the type of motion, right? And then you just need to make sure that back there on the menu here, on the detection menu, you have those enabled. Let's say, for example, pet detection. Pet detection is off here. So it's not gonna detect a pet in front of the camera, so the alarm is not gonna work, right? When you come back here to alarm, you see the type, pet is here, but it's not detecting a pet back there on the detection mode. So just be aware of this. So I can just remove this from here because it doesn't sound the alarm anyway, right? So that's basically the way you can set up your alarm. And there's something else more here, is the alarm schedule as well. You can set up for all day or during the day only, from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. During the night, 8 p.m. to 8 a.m. or a custom schedule that you can select here, the weekdays, and also repeat the alarm and select the time, okay? So super simple as long as you have everything here set up. is going to work and you're gonna have your alarm working and you can enjoy it, right? So I hope that helps. Please leave your comments here, subscribe to the channel, and I see you in the next video.